Hello, it's Buy Cheap again. So I received in the mail this package. It's more like a letter. It says on the description SPDA 5A47 star 1 line S1D 5L3. I don't know what it is. What that is. Value $1. Here, well, it has some Chinese characters, but it needs to be returned in Turkey, so I think this comes from Turkey. So let's see what's inside. I kind of have a rough idea what's inside, but let's make sure of it. Yes, it's a cable. It's an audio cable with 2 stereo jacks and like 1 meter of cable. Now I bought this because I have these earphones, and they broke at the plug here, which is usual for all the headphones. I'm trying to fix it in my way. I didn't achieve the result that I expected for. So I just leave it dead for a while. After that, I've seen this on the eBay, and because I have a plug here, I bought it. Supposedly this will replace the broken wires, and it will be easy to fix in the future when it will broke. So let's see if it works. Okay, let's see if it works. Radio. So it works. It works, so the next station. Perfect. It's what I bought to. It came to me very quickly. So I'm pleased with what I got. Let's hope so. This will last a long time. The next thing that I will do, I will take apart the earphones, and I gotta unsolder the old cable, and leave it with the new one. Okay, so I opened the earphones. I'm gonna clip this cable off. Okay, I'm gonna clip it here too. Okay, I know I said I'm going to unsolder it, but I think we clip this off, it will be okay. By clipping it off, cut it off. So and now I don't know. Now I should pull it back in. And here it is. So I ordered this cable on August 21 and now it's September 13. If you get in time here, it was like 3.5 male to male stereo jack audio auxiliary patch cable cord for iPhone random A, and it was like 99 Canadian cents, 76 American cents, dollar cents. It came from CB in Ken 2012, free shipping. I could choose between a variety of colors. I choose the white one, I don't know why, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.